If you're having trouble loading your site, there are a few things you can try to help troubleshoot the issue. If your site isn't loading when you enter your custom domain, open a private browsing window. Then try opening the site by using its built-in domain, which ends in .squarespace.com. If the site opens, there's likely an issue with your custom domain. If your domain name is managed by Squarespace, open your domain's dashboard. Choose the domain name, click DNS, then add Squarespace default DNS records. If it's a third-party domain, you can add DNS records with that third party to connect it to your site. To check to see if it's resolving, open it from your domain's dashboard. To learn more, visit the links in the description. If that doesn't help, your site may be expired. To check, log into your site. If your site's expired, you'll see a banner prompting you to reactivate service. Once complete, your site will be live again. Finally, if your site still isn't loading, check status.squarespace.com. There could be a system-wide issue that we're working to fix. These incidents can prevent sites from loading. You can subscribe to get updates from us in real time as we fix and monitor incidents. If these options don't help, please contact us at the link in the description. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.